Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. The West Indies put in another dismal bowling effort as they went down by 72 runs to New Zealand, who took an unassailable 2-0 lead in their three-match T20 series at the Bay Oval.
It was a game the West Indies had to win if they were to keep the series alive, but it was evident from the get-go that it would be a difficult task after sending New Zealand to bat. The Kiwis were going at a decent pace, with Martin Guptill 34 and Tim Seifert 18 posting 49 for the opening wicket, before Jamaica's Shane Thomas took care of Seifert in the sixth over. With the addition of another 4 runs, another Jamaican, Fabian Allen, with the assistance of wicketkeeper Nicholas Perrin, ended Guptill's stay at the crease. But if the West Indies thought it would get better from there, they were wrong. Devon Conway and Glenn Phillips put on a show. Phillips, the Jamaica Tallawah's batsman, didn't spare the bowlers, with Keema Paul having a night to forget, leaking 64 runs off his 4 overs. Phillips cracked a 46-ball century, the quickest in T20 internationals by a Kiwi. He was eventually out for 108, which included 10 fours and 8 sixes. Conway batted to the end for 65 as New Zealand posted 238 for 3. In reply, the West Indies hardly left the blocks when trouble started. Jamaica's Brandon King went first ball duck to Kyle Jamieson. Andre Fletcher, who was showing some intent, soon found out he was no bolt. Debutant Kyle Mayers got a start but couldn't carry on as he went for 20. Perrin is yet to find his footing on tour and was only able to add 7 to the score. The hero from the opening game with the bat, skipper Kieran Pollard, failed to repeat. He went for 28 at 107 for 5. It was then downhill thereafter, with Shimron Hetma making 25. The out-of-sorts Jamaican Rovman Powell added only 9. Allen hit 2 sixes before departing for 15, and fellow Jamaican Sheldon Cottrell added 1 as the West Indies ended on 166 for 9. Paul was left unbeaten on 26.
From the time they got 220 plus, it was always going to be difficult. So, and we didn't help ourselves in the field. And then on the opposite side, in less than an hour, you see the New Zealand guys diving around, saving boundaries, taking magnificent catches. So again, we see who up for the contest and who wasn't.
The third and final game will be played on Monday morning starting at 1. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.